Skilljar Review. App: the pros, the cons. If your company offers online training, the Skilljar app promises a smooth learning experience, but how effective is it really? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking online learning platforms are clunky on mobile. Skilljar allows learners to access courses, track progress, and complete assessments directly from their devices. Push notifications remind users of upcoming lessons or deadlines, keeping learning on track. Another advantage is customization. Organizations can brand the app, structure courses to match their training needs, and monitor employee progress through detailed analytics. This makes it easier to identify knowledge gaps and measure performance. However, there are cons. Some learners report that offline access is limited, which can be frustrating without internet connectivity. Navigation can also be less intuitive if the course structure is complex. Additionally, content quality varies depending on how organizations build their courses. In conclusion, the Skilljar app is a strong solution for mobile-friendly, trackable learning. The surprising truth is that its effectiveness depends heavily on how well courses are designed and structured. If you want an app that allows employees or students to learn on the go, track their progress, and stay engaged, Skilljar is worth using. With thoughtful course design and consistent use, it can significantly enhance online learning outcomes.